Oh, sorry. Sorry, guys. I look, look at you. I made Charles. So you know, juice you mug. It's kid. No one plug in. I'm very creative. I was the child. We go next to some makaba. That is book.
Nasbo.
I don't know. I don't know. Jesus, Mara. So much Zala.
Metafom is not so wrong.
Every time, his signature Chabilia.
You believe
I know. It could have banana.
Yeah, no option she guys, you know.
How sharing she guys.
Nibena gambe manager ya stole. Evan got angela swabona.
Matiba, swear. Magutaki sango vele.
I wanted your boy to throw it.
You have a signature, but what angela swabona. Enganda na inanpe. Na match.
But what angela so.
Exactly. Swear. One mistake. Where is the suka?
Look shop say gambe sense idea me.
Oh no, young way na ni shabisa kumita shaba merchandise. You don't leave. Hey, swear and plug us someone when them plug. Movie.
Mobam kebla telescope, bam kebla telescope.
Not a broken, not serious in quas. Mlako nomkombeja mfana na CMC. Ngatatenga. Mara sigaza kuna kutile kubiyeni siba.
Yeah, mebla sigaza se wona or siswa.
Siswa, ndile kubiyeni sis.
Juice.
Nitwe ankantanga ina video nyane one ngamiti ni amtimba na manager Pilar.
Oh yeah, bari move nyana ne. Yeah, ni bone ba. Ni anistegera nto.
Abafamba la freeway yeah. So it's like a response. Yeah. As much as ngo ayile kurugetele anti okay ni strong kahle la ka rap ne. But mainly it's like addressing Kupilani. Ikomba ifune vanhu botala. You know?
Okay.
Ifune vanhu botala, but at the end yena angavulavuri kahle kumbe anganchumu. And it says I think kunova Daka boy.
Why so maybe like ebelaku anga kumi the flowers ta yena or
more like that, yeah. But it's Mtimbani singing the song in response on behalf of Pilan.
Okay.
You get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it's even Mtimbani is very good, you know. It's very good.
It's very good. I saw him last I think a month ago. What are the mana kafamba itinonga negoya norta.
Into kakulavura ku boys full and 9.
Yes.
So I'm loyal gazini. I'm loyal ngomngarandani. Why?
You think like emon loyal be faxi wine ne?
Hey, Yohan, it's too much because apparently he's beefing with a guy called Mapele, ne? Is it Mapele? Mapele, yeah. So I think Mapele, out of anger, might have said some things that triggered people to think otherwise. I'm not saying he did it, but because of social media, you know, people talk, dog. You know?
People talk.
Man, babla so babla magadaku. I think he said kuloko Mtimban ofa. Ningei akankoswaye. You understand? And then coincidentally Mtimbani shoots a video. I don't know if I'm correct, if I'm wrong, me comment la so ndleka ngashiko malisho wana njilandelango mara ni bone ti party letwa. Mtimbani ashera video leya nenge. Komba kunenge iboy full ambite ifula shambiri ambite shaunaro. So then people started, you know, their own accusations. We don't know if it's true or accusations because Mapela, in my understanding, I think he spoke out of anger. Mapela. Yeah, I believe he spoke. Look, you know? So I knew Steve, so enter kufika queen, ange imelele, ange lumbeti. Anna ground, but that's the alleged story. So I think weird, Mara, we hope go.
But I choose a latest younger blind. Foot younger blind. I choose a number 1 and number 2, ne? Ben Mangani na Mr. Post number 1 and number 2 ngagwe man.
Okay, this two. For me now, I'll go. He let's bangas end the work done. I would say Ben Mayengan.
Okay.
Not to say Mr. Post is not good, but we're looking at like their work done, like their input got the industry. Mayengani, I think he has been longer, like in terms of Sngandeka Kumaku, maybe Mr. Post Arkonaga industry mara anga say blower, you know? But Mayengani has been sustaining, dog. Let's give him the flowers.
He's been
consistent and he's staying relevant. What she says?
Yeah.
And Mr. Post as well is staying relevant, but now that's why I say the strategy shaku checker career path yabona lebangayifaka. You understand?
Okay.
We appreciate both artists, they are very good. And mina yakuta kubifile show and she celebrateriwa ba nyika music wa right. What she says? I feel like it can be a serious track, you know.
I'm
telling you,
it be fit to fanana taba the late aka
Caspanyo Best let's see 80s.
Sometimes it be feel it toka tingariku ko na mara as like comparative talent, because sometimes ingete usuka oteka xintlambani ya xi compare na xinyori oro ntlambi wena swi swi nga ha
so that's why many people know and it's always it's always those who can give us nice music combo ya bona
every time.
And why is it what a coincidence, because knowledge gazens look against this. Well, ngambutsa ngwana artist swa kumena mese neminyika
mlakuneka artist
manage
I think like so kotlana so cause if u cheka ashigazene otafika u cheka okay the category let's say ku style like kumbala ne tafika na ri okay na swo ku style man kuna leke ri ka sombala na man mar competition yena ku ile ka ti level na bo mani so e bo mani lavandla ku category yena awa ba kumi fika kuma yena and then mfamba ne ka Xitsonga house ne loko ncheka ndifika kuma man show majozi nikuma DJ Ganyani and then like loko nzama kuba mixisa like swi not make sense mo
abala wasunge match because it's two different, because my Josie is like house hip hop it's like she merges the two, because her singing or her style of singing is like rap but talk in a flexi way. Understand? She's very talented.
I don't know maybe
that. But it's I believe it falls under rap, but it's unique. The reason it rush on my jaws competition in Cherulia.
One ne?
Pela competition e blah blah ne? So ngandleka kaiba shigaza ngweni same tempos. Matter how I deliver.
Yeah.
Let me give an example. DJ Mfundisi, Papa Rhulani trekele yi bagda anla ku hemba ne yiri one maimbelele unique, right? It says so and then every buyala ka ba Hennessy could be this one kuna Semi the producer and
Semi the producer is the same person as Semi Free.
Semi Free is a rapper.
It's a whole different person.
Semi Free is a rapper. So Semi the producer is Anitama ni onzele mekumawazi mekula kamino.
Okay.
That guy. You see him.
Does he produce or he also sing?
I think he does produce Maraventa, that guy, because most of the time itawa kaimbelela at Kombar one in Kurna just the production section studio share.
Okay.
So I think he does. Producer. And then we have your Brian Bomba, we have your Daniel Brothers. It's a lot of them in this part. Now say they're a competition. Why do I say that now? sekuyayiwa hi ku imani a back vocal stwa kwala.
Oh,
it's the same guy. Could be Semi the producer, Daniel
Brothers.
Who else? But then man, never Brian Bomber also dropped.
Oh,
it's
Brian Bomber it's a drop out.
Yellow pony.
Yeah.
She started CM4. I should Jumela. Cause that's what she dropping one. Cut it Timela. M4.
Ne?
Yeah, but hey, go back, you love this one.
You know, Masumata.
And they go, hey, you know, you can't say you mean. Mara member we shisha one. Okay, I love them so. Manum Butsake, who's the best manager? Pilan and Leger. Choose one and give your and elaborate. Best.
I would give Pelani his flowers cause as for like I didn't know it's because when I had to manage Paparlane but ani anbangi kwana at that moment logaruk manage kainan kun kuma kwana space
so you have limited influence.
Yeah, because info lenga koma sala nitakanda Rose anga manager mon wasona so you see.
Oh yeah, no, this is fair enough. You make a very valid statement. And then, in terms of kuplaga, but I'll give his flowers.
In terms of as
as an artist, go, because a lot of
someone
people,
on.
Yeah, because I think even the artist can be very man. This artist I forgot the same guy. That other podcast. Look on Sunglan Kanu one. Aye, mana bote.
Balabli, no
Name ngoma loko isungula ka podcast lengwa there's a song like that. So that guy is a very good song, by the way. He's I feel like waplaka anga Rhulani suka da. So if you look at it, let's give Lekere his flowers at the same time.
I think DJ Mfundisi.
Yeah, now DJ Mfundisi no. Because I feel like DJ Mfundisi is like vice versa. DJ Mfundisi, I think okay, forgive me if I'm wrong, but Lekere started trending on TikTok. If I'm not mistaken, it was a TikToker who was trending. At the end of those funny videos, like maybe kuna mani loko loben len kashimwa kangwana yo baka bateka video kuri kuna recorded sound enough ka ekta engaku imani liya ebala telo kuri ngwana liya stuff like that kumba ektenga ku khapula la embali ingaku ngasate boa do stuff like that ebe asungula ku tlangana tingoma akha shoota like a selfie video. So I think kuna la angafika shoota DJ Mfundisi, and then DJ Mfundisi blew up from that part.
You shoot a video and then I
so I think I'm just not sure our Tivana already or
before.
I will lie with that one, but I think Lekere shot a video.
Because have you ever realized the artist they are to doma ite bona ka Facebook na le ka Instagram
yeah.
It's like bana tikura bona or like bana friendship yabo cause like isekele one banye sana swin'we and then you wonder go like okay ntiva Lekere u celebrate indlela le anga influencer indlela le and then jiki Lekere utivana utiva J John utiva J John but kuna un'wanyani alava ku va ntlamba nga yitivi J John but like loya anga gaming already se utiva vanhu hinkwavo lava nga la gaming. I think like va tivana hi xivona ani swi tiva
but I feel like I don't know ku xihundla yini. I think I'm not nga swi swin'wana swa serious ngopfu kwala leswi because I think ku nga va ku ri na xihundla xo karhi lexo ku nga xi tiveki.
But and it always happen even ka local music ka mapiano vanhu va kona ka hip hop ta kuma vanhu ba hip hop
ba same group and stuff like that. Because now honest to see singa ku sweswiwana hala xigazeni if not everywhere kuna like merging of artists like ku join na like the genre honest to me. I think I saw Semi Free the only rapper lo ngani ukuthi yena semi free doing a Xitsonga song
semi free ngeke
I rap that guy in that Xitsonga mad rapping so I would say but now I'm talking about
that
the beat
that remix
yeah my god
I didn't
that's what I'm telling you
Antonga voice yena mara ngoma nibone featuring semi free
exactly.
I played that song jiggy jiggy
exactly so stuff like that it's just means but anyway I feel like maybe it's a transfer of energy but
maybe he's trying phela Xitsonga music kwaba back
ne no that's mara nibone se Jesse yo Ben Mayengani se Ben Mayengani mina if kana Ben Mayengani net worth if can ngena ka site chinwanyana shiku Ben Mayengani it's like the estimated it's like approximately in dollars not even in rand 2 million
what
dollars
2
because nibe concerned ku
2 million
dollars in fact not even rands I'm not talking about rand so if you convert it to what are you going to get
Ben Mayengani is the same person angete utathakelela mali ka politics
of which probably about 500 and something for politics
do you think that guy that time Arika EFF ka ANC endla mali because izanga bana xitulu ka EFF
but that guy yeah but that guy has got a weight
she's
not weight she's not
no la xifika kona ku fika
so in other words obviously loko xi fike ka EFF one way or the other kunati followers leti nga joina EFF
2 million
$2 million to emphasize dollars check a dollar to a rand you will see
it could be possible did you see his house though
she said she
I think like but one like if like they have to build a house by Maswayane and then like he bought a brand new GTI late I think
is it only GTI I saw also what was there was it a Vian or what a white one
yeah
Steve maybe Ben Mayengani not the business thing one I think on the side we
probably
don't know
it could be net worth 2 million but in dollars
in
dollars
it's a serious bag it's a serious bag but yeah well they said it's an estimation we don't know guys and but I know we're curious cool Ben Mayengani can he really you know if but anyway with his talent and plus maybe where he come from maybe also his royalties because royalties also come in good monies if music will register properly and follow the proper procedures then you know why you're good right?
So would you say Thomas Yauke or is a sorted guy?
He's sorted that one is legend my guy before she's a legend music
I think he had a brand deal in a Universal Record way back before Banuba sorted record label before she and I think like he's the only guy beside Nana Jews. I think he's one of the guys on a major record label.
Yeah, exactly. Legend. I'm telling you, a legend. And the legend. No cap, cash but now focusing on Doctor. Don't the album thing on
33, 34.
Between 33, 34. Hold on, legend. And was that
I think it's history, Marco. Culture or moon beside culture moon. Okay, moon like
now. Okay, we appreciate the artist unknown. Artist unknown. If let me be honest, it's about entertainment. Let's be real.
It's always been about entertainment.
Not. It doesn't end only there. Kabangwan. The artist of Thomas Chauke is entertainment, right? But kuranga, kuna donzo lande katingoma leti.
Oh, same time, ne?
Same time.
Yeah.
Kuna butomi, what's this is like lyrics wise. Okay. But now the artist, that's why long this. Let me give you an example. Kuna suswan, sukuma kati simta suswan. Swashota la kati simta suswan.
Yeah.
Kuna ngoma Thomas Chauke itlanga suswan. Kumbeya Jojo Malulek or any other older artists, your Luther Vandross, you know, to dance with my father again. The one to me, that's what wangi. Mara he passes one, and but then for it gives me that thing like I wanna hear more. You get it? And now trouble. Yeah, but Thomas Chow get the legend. Look, but don't come on what this is look to see some message like and when say stronger too much guys and go hemba even when it's bad mara so one look Johnson we are learning to listen to stronger we are following because so wasibona ku culture yaka yena yitakula njani lokho hina batsonga emahlangani was to says hey and but now we there was to says look Johnson akusungula angekubuli ku hina experience ya deep but at the end of the day now we see we're catching up but at the end of the day what I'm trying to say back in the days ne before kufika ba J John before kufika ba Papa Rhulani before kufika ba Benny Mayengani right Josh Rhulani is been he's a legend also.
Yeah, I think he started with the other genre. With
disco.
Disco.
Yeah, now Peter Tinet, Penny.
Ben Mayengani been there, pen.
I know Ben Mayengani. I heard his father was also an artist.
A musician.
Is it the one who says, "Man, that's wrong"? I don't know. Silo baby. I don't know, guys. But
Silo
I forgot the name. But do you see what I'm telling you? There's something about these songs. It's old, Mara. We still listen to it, Mara. The same with us what entertainment. It will trend. Then we it's fading out.
It's crazy because like
did music lose the touch?
Let's say because like few before fade away music I got a different thing as for area with George Maluleke
Peter Magolong
I think this category
Peter Xungwana
yes Peter Xungwana he's a legend so
and just to mention a few guys because there are other legends as well. Because one, but tell we can go way far.
So I'm like earlier look ivane if I'm in music low like a message kuimbelelwa isilesi swanya and then as like a generation change. Have you ever noticed after earlier lesi start si dominate this time around it remix.
Yeah, so it's about
karaba message lo ufambe na ina ni earlier.
Exactly, and it's not only as gazette, in music as a whole.
Music as a whole, ne?
As a whole. Even okay, let's check even rap. Logoya ka rap ya America. The era. Yawo Lil Wayne, T.I. Tupac, DMX, you know. I know they would talk about love and stuff. Yo, era yo imbelela ba R&B, ba R. Kelly, ba Asha.
Yeah.
It's gone, man.
It's gone.
Now it's about entertainment, and the problem is that's why most artists that's one. Even my piano, guys, my piano don't last. It's our genre and they don't last.
It's a song for a month. If you even number one for that month, and then the next month
is another one. So you're always having pressure. You understand?
Even mentally, or still, but you can't have a favorite piano song. You can't. It's not possible. You have a problem. For 2 months, what favorite track one piano.
The only song that is outstanding. One of the songs I know there could be few. Come a piano. Tender Love by Shasha.
Hey, that's a classic. That's a classic.
That can never be undone, my guy. What else?
Hello
by Maporis.
And then Umsebenzi
Wethu.
And then this last track by Basta 99. Ngixolele.
Bruh.
Yeah, you see
stuff like that. And if you look within, not to all the songs, but the songs that we just mentioned, or songs like this, if you look through, there's some messages that you get there. It's like, I feel like if we can get this entertainment the way it is, and you get what do you call this? And you get the message nakambe. You can the song can last longer, but the problem as last is last so indilo amabibi mara loko ila mondo ngoma ya mondo, you have to bring in the message and stuff. Mara ko problems is one ingaku na vanhu vo straight defense ta hype ngopfu sweswo swa mabibi. Like ngaku hype ngopfu sweswo swa mabibi swi hype, and then the next thing.
How do you think as for like hip hop, I think like sometimes loko ngari na zwibefanyana inge shavisa so
fane vinda dra fane panganya lo ngwapenga ai popo ntsena o papa Rhulani we.
That's the same thing I had today, because they said most of the people laba batsamago ka balaba in front page social media, social media not front page, the stories, kuna vanhu lava loko u fola phone Instagram yawe ka ti story ta wena obvious yeah. Do you ever realize those are the people who are like doing sometimes dodgy businesses, so
yeah,
because like
yeah, that's true.
Yeah,
Kuri, I think this thing is like it's a system. If you want to stay relevant, it's phela loko langutisa kuna the artists leti nga fika ti duma switho they are very good, very good, but now you just think about it, hey, what happened to that guy? What happened to that guy? So in other words, you need to cause nyana drama in order to stay
relevant.
Why not drama there and there? You know, there and there. Van'wana kuma kusukela non'wana nga ntlangu nchumu wa hlamala kunje ke nanguta NSTC na Harris ava bifela yena va Steve nge ku byeli vanhu valava va ri vambirhi. They won't tell you why they beefing.
My like defense always no one share.
Okay, now let's talk about sorry ku much gazini na ku vutisa hi leswi wa xi vona NSTC loko xi nghena ka ngoma leyi xi nga featuriwa xi fika xi ona ngoma leyi a hi vulavula ntiyiso xi fika xi goga blind na n'winyi wa artist xi siya
i ngoma leyi NSTC meanwhile ku nga ri ngoma ya NSTC
i ngoma leyi NSTC was supposed to find us ivi ya ka Aries xa chela right loko swi ta ka ku rap xa chela i rap NSTC artist. But now let's have like a hypothetical, like in our imagination, imagine ngoma ya Aries na NSTC va ri ka ngoma yin'we. When I hleketa ku who is going to murder who? Like, be honest in your own judgment, like, cause me, I'm confused. I don't wanna lie. But besides, this is not now the fans. This is what the fans always do. Not to say it's good for them to compare the two, but now we just diverting yakwala hago ibona ku imana etwa kunga ku itafika top la ka leti two insizwe.
I wouldn't say like
it's not easy. It's not easy. These guys are talented, info. Do you see Mara? What I'm trying to show on the do you see kuba it's online Mara na?
Yeah, true. Because
this
thing,
so I'm telling you, look, there's a track between track of NSTC and Aries in one song.
We're number one on
Spotify. That song will have a lot of I'm telling you, it's going to blow
in 24 hours.
My guy is going to close whatever song that is on number one now. I'm telling you,
it's going to be a mess.
But we're here, okay. But I don't know if I wanted to ask you something not related to music.
Chop with me.
Okay. What is your take, ne? Kama yaku kuna him.
Okay.
Yaku bari vanhu va le handle lava nga la South Africa va fane va famba. I think ku ve na mahim yaku last year. Va fane va famba in December. Ku va na ku postpone. They postponed to June this year. They postponed again to December, right? But now in a nutshell, what is your take at that part, ka foreigners? Not to hate, we're not asking to hate, it's just to get their opinion, you know.
I will say ne bangata lawa the same way as like bala South Africa by Xitsonga as state. You must get your documents correct and then use the gate to come in. You see,
exactly.
That's the same reason USA ngabe na problem nabantu ba matuku mangwana loko bavaka just because they have a system to deal with the whole issue, immigration and what you call. So I will say as long as like banga bafika lawa banga ba mind a business ya bona banga own, you know, like
you're right.
Just getting in the correct way.
Well, kamina leswane kuna vanhu lava va suvulaka ku vanhu lava a va tlheli innocently, and I feel like I would fall under that category. And there are people who are saying these people should go. I'll explain both categories, ne? So at least so kuna vanhu lava nge these people should go avalave completely.
Okay.
Right? So I'm in your position here. Let them come with papers. Why am I saying that? Nale bibeleni sukona ku hloniphani tilidara ta n'wina, your elders and stuff, right? Ku hlonipha lidara. I'm not always neri Ramaphosa nga ntivi mi nga tshama ni vona, but he's a leader to me because he's leading the country I'm at, right? So suvula ina loko Ramaphosa a pasa a law ya ku leswiwani swi nga ndliwi, mina as a sign of respect to that sikomba ku mi ni fane ni landzelela leswi Ramaphosa nga swi vula. Aningi leswi a nge swi nga ndliwi. Exactly. Leswi a nge swi ndliwa na endla. But now okay, coming back here ka Ramaphosa ka Julius Malema. Julius Malema iri Africa, South Africa is for Africans, right? Okay, I agree, I understand, I concur. But the problem on this one, I understand. I feel like he's right, but at the same time, he's not experiencing what inaban the these areas so naban as we express that. So I feel like as much as South Africa is for Africans, South Africa also ufana na law leti hloniphiwaka. The first thing ingelanguteli ku munhu atakula sorry do atakula one arava maphepha ku itafika ahlonipha. It's impossible ku ta langutela because xo sungula ekombe ku ani hloniphi ku ni nghena ni rava phepha.
Yeah, it's fun and it's the same thing as you could break in a jaratini ramo.
Exactly. So the stats tale South Africa ta swilo hinkwaswo, is it population and everything, it's not accurate.
As like
because va tracker what the system, the people lava nga registered, and at the same time kuna vanhu lava ekumaku loko va ta laha ka vo va khoma minkunzi va yiva and stuff. Not to say South Africans are yiva, but now I'm not taking this in a spiritual way. I hlamusela that ibu life, because but I know this is like it could be more. So kuna vanhu lava nandi atakula afika yiva because wa swi tiva ku a ti fingerprints, there's no DNA yambo yi kume ta kuma because ava kona ka system. So hi ku ya hi mina ni pfumelana leyo a va ti lava na maphepha. Wa vona every Zimbabwean, every Nigerian, every Indian, everyone who's from Africa are South Africa a khome maphepha a te now. Shout out. I'm telling you, because in other words, you respect us.
I'm like sometimes it's so demotivate us.
Yeah.
Because like ufika abantu bolo fika and then balukwanyen and then when no fika so correct. Sometimes you be like, what's the use?
Exactly. Then no, she saw, and then badlaisana vanhu lava va nga ta kahle, because now phela there's a group playing all ayavulavula gwina phepha kumbe all angarela, let them go. What says? And the munhu ite kahle, they have their papers, that is it. And you look pushing kahle, they have a shop, spaza shop there. We buy bread, your spas and your shop right checkers, they are closed. An Indian guy remain open. You're hungry, go aswakuda, or maybe load shedding strikes, you're able to run there, buy bread, come back and eat. You understand? You're covered by stuff like that. And then I feel like those guys should stay. But one thing I can tell you, is it is it tribalism or what? I'll explain. If ever it's not the word.
Tribalism.
Not necessarily that, ne? A tribalism, okay, let me just explain. She saw, she found us this one, it's a message all ago. We are saying, okay, now that the African leaders, Africa should be great. Fairness when it comes to your financial state, financial treatment. Africa, treat-wise, stuff like that. So they want fairness. They are pushing for that. This is African leaders. But now the problem is what? Tribalism ngayibeka self-hate. Ban lava bangakubuweni loko kunleka xenophobia anse tshama ni twa mina ku kulandwe vanhu va valungu va ta biwa, but white people originally they were not from here. This original, those people they escaped if you learn from history, but they escaped. William van Riebeeck, British guys, but they escaped and the Komba they are the first people, the first invaders of Africa. Right, this is. I'm not saying by a biwa, but naku komba point lino mokayo. Baba tiraban penanga bangabwe everin kya baban baba no and so on. But I'm not saying that. I'm just giving an example of what's going on between black people and the comparison between black and white. So white people are united in that way. Yaku, you won't see. This one is from Australia. This one is from Canada. When they meet, they treat each other like people. Like good people. But now, blacks, say instead of South Africa, we are all saying, all of us, we are saying, Zimbabwe, Nigeria, Mali, wherever you come from, you must leave our country. Okay. If this thing happens and these people leave, I know the chances for them to leave is low, but I know government, if government really want these people to leave, they will leave. I'm telling you. If government really want these people to leave, they will fight. But let's not talk about that.
Government, I think I like us on.
No, government has the power to make this thing happen. I'm telling you.
Government,
guys, if they really wanted the people without papers to be gone, they would have left.
Long time ago.
If they really want, the people with papers would have remained very fine without stress. The ones without papers, they would have left. Because with me, I'm telling you, if you are in South Africa, living in South Africa without papers, you are a thief, you are a criminal. How did you enter? I can't go to your country like that. That's a break-in. If it's a Zimbabwean with papers, shut up. Nigerian with papers, shut up, because at least if there's something, we're able to track you. You understand? And we know you can't easily go and mess up with a paper. But fine. So this is where I'm going. If it could finally happen, Nigeria, Zimbabwe, Mozambique, whatever African country that is in South Africa, say, you know what? We are leaving because you guys say we leave. Do you know what's going to happen next? Is that now hate within South Africa is going to happen. That's tribalism. That's why you have a Zulu person say, Shangan. You always experience that. But it's just that I feel like Thomas are peaceful, man. We don't like these things of the fight. You understand? We don't want that. The quarreling, I know. If there's I'm Tsonga myself and I know good. Tsongas, it's rare you'd find like savages. But Zulus, man, they will show you. Those ones don't play. So, but I'm just giving an example. You know, you will hear a Zulu person saying that KZN is their own. It's like the provinces would become like it would be like they have borders. Okay. Well, KZN, no problem. I'm telling you, I sense
like
that.
It's another country. Ne?
Exact, because we are not united as South Africans. That's what I'm saying. Why would you hate a South African if you're a South African? If you're really about to let South Africa be for South African. But now we experience hate, even South Africans. I remember this time for Kuvet. Sorry to mention his name, but I think you won't mind. Kuvet, Shadrach, myself, and a girl called what am I that girl? I forgot her name. Okay, fine. So when we were together with that girl, I'll tell you the name when I remember. So we were there sitting, we bought food, we went, got this parking lot, you know? We take the food. We bought Nigerian food. It's Ghana. Yeah, fried rice, yeah, like Ghana. We're hungry in Ghana. I think it was the 5 of us. And we are parking, ile parking. La ku parking taxi la, the taxi is parking, you know? So I know Kuvet is a fan of Mr. Post.
Oh, okay.
Hardcore fan.
What did he say?
Isuka kaya ne isukela. I remember the way yaka kuruna nkosi Kuvet in guy lift in razaka.
Yeah.
Ivaya kaya arna fro ya oh. Ivaya kaya no daman. Ivaya kan siya gian. From Pretoria mfo. Kuyafika again. Kashi ba Mr. Post throughout.
Yo,
I'm telling you, that guy, and me not Mr. Post, but that day I was like, okay.
this is how we do it, man.
Yeah, this is how he's a fan. I'm telling you.
Big time, ne?
Big time fan. So, but fine. Here go line. So I covered. I know, Mr. Post fan. The car is sound. For my auntie, you know, but sound is cars. No, I'm not like Chinio. Kula kudiwa while we play music.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, man. No, I mean, I Shadrach, I Kuvet, I Foster.
Yeah.
Junsan. Yeah, the Nyande, Angar Korangar na Kuvet that day.
Yeah.
I'm just confusing the days, but fine. So, logo, Uba music, Lua, he looked in, do woman the Zulu, and hey, Lina. Come on,
Some music,
that's what I'm showing you, and it's stupid, because if you put a white person there, a white person plays a white people music, you wouldn't say that.
He wouldn't.
But I'm telling you, it's like this system that is here, ne? That is fooling us as black South Africans. Firstly, it's a problem. Me as a person, I'm supposed to held a Zulu guy or a Zulu woman. We work on making South Africa or Africa better together. But now there is no that trust, because I don't know if this person is gonna turn and attack me, or you don't know as the other tribe will turn and attack you. If we have not fixed that part,
African,
but the problem is Zulu. Me, I'm not Zulu. Or the problem is Sutu. The problem is Pedi. I'm telling you.
But now we are in a language.
Do you get it? It's not good, that part. I think that's my rap.
Yeah. Samana mina that samana wena masiku nkwa.
So come this one day what ndlela swa vona. He says one baga hayi la kuna dyondzo kuna swilo hinkwaswo kuna sona ndziya mi va mukha mi click button liya yo tshuka and then loko u vona video leyi I nga click but leyo tshuka a ni swi twisisi ku halava yini i fixena lawani I nga toloveli wena
fixa lawa I randini.
Hey, how you do that? Kumlaka but majuli. Yeah, can some of guys show us some love na I must wanna be look love ni vanhu lava mbarantsaka swinene hi nyika ti opinion ta hina na n'we comment down below. Thank you so much guys. Ipala yi petsa hi ndlela yeleyo.
Kisi.
Inko.
That was a joke.